my goodness, I smoked you guys out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the bench. I was going to go out on the deck. I had the bomb and rain the last, 8 hours, but it did stop. But I lost the light. So, hey, I'm down here in the shop today. And it is, of course, an absolute nightmare. I got gardening stuff all over the place. Behind you guys, if you can't see, I have potatoes on a little curing rack that I made. And some in a box. Did pick all my potatoes. Guys, check some of those gardening videos out. I'll leave a card for the playlist, the gardening playlist. Picking a lot of tomatoes too. Oh, so good. But this is a pipe video, so. Oh my. Looking good. Just checking everything out. I darkened the frame up, which means I won't be able to focus in on the jar, which I don't understand why. Noah, what are you smoking today? First, I am smoking out of my Bent Rossi. Yeah, see, when I darken the shot up, you can't really zoom in on stuff. But great pipe. Got it off of Etsy. It is becoming a favorite. What am I smoking? Let's see. See when I zoom in? It doesn't focus. I'm smoking another blend from Milan Tobacconists, and they are in Roanoke, Virginia. And the blend today is Milans Balkan blend. It is an English pipe tobacco. It's a Balkan. So this is their description from their website. And hey, if you're here, please like, subscribe, share the videos around, share the channel around, let everybody know. Some goofy guy outside of Pittsburgh grows tomatoes, smokes a pipe, and has a pumpkin growing out in the driveway. That's for another time. All right, Milans Balkan blend, English pipe tobacco. Quite a few of our customers have bemoaned the scarcity of Balkan Sobroni's original smoking mixture over the years. So we took it upon ourselves to create a similar blend, which we're told bears an uncanny resemblance to the legendary tobacco. I've never smoked that original tobacco, so I don't know. I've just smoked this one, so this is just my take on Milan's blend. But we'll leave that all-important comparison to you. Milan's Balkan blend is a Latakia based with a mixture of Orientals, Virginias, and other fine tobaccos. They're all added to make a bold and earthy smoke with notes of spice and mild sweetness. Sweetness. Excuse me. And this pipe is like this blend's partner. And I'll talk a little bit about that. I go over it in my notes. I do smoke mostly billiards. If you guys haven't noticed my videos, I do like the style. I like billiards. I like the way they feel in my hand and everything. And I probably only have 4 bent pipes. But I've been coming to find that there are certain blends that just do not get along with the billiard style. They either heat up, they get a little bitter. I don't like the flavor of them. But if I have a blend I don't like the flavor of on the first or second bowl, I keep smoking it. I want to get a dozen, 2 dozen, I want to smoke through it. And then I'll go to a different style pipe. This pipe, and then always down in the shop, is my Meerschaum. And my Meerschaum seems to just, when I'm not really liking a blend, I run a couple bowls through the Meerschaum, and a lot of times it'll turn around for me. Alrighty. Oh, my goodness. On to my notes. Milan Tobacconists, Milans Balkan. The cut was a ribbon. The tin had a subtle smokiness, kind of a roasted nut smell, like if you're walking down a place that's roasted nuts. We have the Strip District in Pittsburgh, and there's places that roast coffee and they roast nuts and peanuts and stuff like that. That was that smell I was getting. And listen, an odd sweetness. There was an odd smell, like an odd sweetness. I first smoked this out of my Boswell's large billiard. And initially, I was getting like an incense perfume taste off of the char light. And I thought that was kind of odd. I said it has a bitter nut flavor. And around here, I'm growing up in western Pennsylvania. Around Christmas, everybody would get those bulk nuts and have them like in a bowl with a little hammer and a thing. And that's some of those nuts, when you get them, they're a little bitter, and I was getting that. I said I was getting some retro burn. I said it burns very well, and the moisture was at a great content when it was shipped to me. I said something just isn't grabbing me. Halfway down, and the blend has smoothed out some. The Latakia is not in the forefront. I will need more bowls in different pipes of this blend. I smoked in some other pipes, same results, and then I smoked out of my bent Rossi, and I said much better out of this pipe. More sweetbread flavor, a cooler burn, and no retro burn. I said this blend is excellent out of this pipe. It has a great aftertaste. It's very enjoyable tonight. I said it's so crazy how a blend can change from pipe to pipe. And that's something I'd like to go down the rabbit hole with other blends that I have listed that I really don't like, to get some different pipes. And I do think I'm going to get rid of some of my pipes that I don't smoke, and I'm going to try to get some more bent pipes in my collection. Oh, smoking it out of my meerschaum. I said, this blend is all around solid. I said, it's a middle of the road Balkan for me. I said, but note, do not smoke fast, slow and easy, or it gets a little bitter, it gets a little sting to you if you're puffing on it too much. Just, light it, sip along, goes out, relight it. It's much better that way. I smoked it out of my Ohio Briar Billiard. I said, it has a odd woody quality. And I said, it's slightly bitter to me. And that kind of goes along with most of my notes. I was getting some odd bitterness when I was smoking it out of the billiards. When I smoke it out of my bent pipes, the bitterness doesn't seem to really be there. And it could be me, because I do smoke a little fast sometimes, and I do have to pay attention to that. My. See, slightly bitter, but a good bitterness out of here. A little more bitter out of the billiards I was smoking it out of. But this pipe is pretty much going through, smoking my couple ounces or so. I pretty much, when I'm reaching for that blend now, I'm just smoking it out of my bent Rossi or my Nording. My Nording is a nice bent pipe too. If any of you guys experience this with billiard straight pipes as opposed to a bent pipe, whack me a comment down below and let me know how you guys feel about that. If you guys agree, disagree, think it doesn't matter. I think it does. And it's kind of crazy in my smoking journey of a few years now, how I'm starting to make little notes, and when I see a blend on the shelf that I want to jump into for the night, like I come home from work and I'm like, yeah, I'm going to smoke some of that tonight. I start thinking about what pipe am I going to smoke that out of. Like my Blakemore Briar large billiard that I have, pretty much only smoke Balkans and Englishes out of it. I don't do anything that might even be a little sweet. I have a great cake in there, and that pipe seems to just work for those blends in general. And certain blends, it's the tops. But it's pretty cool that you can get a blend that you're not really liking, change the pipe up, your cadence, and it comes around where it's a pretty damn good blend. Well, hey, from the bench, I'm going to give this 3 matchsticks. I like to do it this way, German style. 3 matchsticks. Because it's a solid blend. And if you're into Balkans, or if you're an aromatic smoker and you're looking to, cross over into some English blends, some Balkan blends, which English and Balkan kind of the same, just a little deeper. This is definitely a good blend. Go on, check Milan Tobacconists out. They have way more blends than the 4 I've covered in my series, and there's some other blends that I'd like to get from them. And there's a couple of the blends I'm going to be ordering probably 8 ounces from them, because they're, they were incredible blends. I think Sultan's Mixture was one of them. Sultan's Blend. Great tobacco. But give it a go. Great place. Support your brick and mortars. Support your local places. Your online boutique blender, so to speak. I'm going to keep this one short. I'm looking down. I want to trying to keep everything under 10 minutes. This might go just slightly over 10 minutes. Well, hey, from the bench, I'm Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.